The lat pull down is an upper body machine weight exercise which primarily targets the latissimus dorsi. Some secondary muscles include the biceps, the rhomboids, the trapezius, and the posterior deltoids. When performing this exercise, we want to make sure that our knees are locked in place correctly with the bar over the top so that it is adjusted to a correct height. We want to make sure that we maintain a neutral spine and engage our core for this exercise so that we can activate the lats as much as possible. Our scapula should be retracted throughout the whole of the movement, keeping tension on our lats, which is important for the development of the muscle. I'm now going to use a video demonstration of me performing this exercise to show you how to correctly and safely perform this movement. I get into position gripping the bar correctly and putting my legs under the bar at the bottom to make sure that my feet are firmly in the ground and I'm not being pulled up with the movement. My back maintains neutral for this whole thing with my scapula retracted, and I'm getting a nice stretch at the top of the movement. I've picked a weight which allows me to control the movement on the way down, and I'm not using momentum at all in this movement. We want to bring the bar down to our chest. We don't want to pull it behind us, as this is going to cause injury of our neck as well as our shoulders. Once I've pulled the weight down, I squeeze, and then as I go up, I get a nice stretch at the top before pulling the bar back down again. With our scapula retracted, our chest should be nice and forward and proud in this movement. Some common errors we see are people ego lifting and putting too much weight on. This is going to result in a lack of form, which is going to also then further result in a lack of engagement of the muscles. We don't want to use momentum in this movement, as we want to keep the muscles under tension the whole time, and at the top we want to make sure that the scapula remains retracted and we're not rolling or rounding our back forward.